tornado emergency for Indianapolis. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for central Marion County until 12:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a large and destructive tornado was located near West Indianapolis, moving northeast at 56 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Indianapolis. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles will occur and complete destruction is likely. Locations impacted include West Indianapolis, Fountain Square, Grove, University Heights, Homecroft, and Southport. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Master, let's kill the whole beach!